Hello students, in this video we are going to simplify this expression which is 43 power 3 plus 23 power 3 and divide by 20 power 3 plus 43 power 3. Look carefully. Here 43 is sum of 20 plus 23. Here we will apply substitution, and here if we substitute 23, this is equals to A, and 20, this is equals to B. Now if we add both sides, then 43, this is equals to A plus B. This 43 is replaced by A plus B bracket power 3 plus, and 23 is replaced by A power 3 and divide by 20 is replaced by B power 3 and 43 is replaced by A plus B bracket power 3. I will write this expression in next page. A plus B bracket power 3 plus A power 3 and divide by B power 3 plus A plus B bracket power 3. We know that the algebraic identity x cube plus y cube, this is equals to x plus y times x square minus xy plus y square. If we apply this identity in numerator and denominator, in numerator this a plus b is x and this a is y. So numerator is a plus b plus a is multiplied by a plus b whole squared minus a plus b times a plus a square, and in denominator this b is x and a plus b is y. So b plus a plus b times here b square minus b times a plus b and then plus a plus b whole squared. Look carefully in numerator. A plus a is 2 times a plus b, and here a plus b whole square, this is a square plus 2 times ab plus b square, and minus a is multiplied by this a, and in other words you can see plus b times a, this is minus a square minus a times b plus a square, and divide by b plus b is 2 times b plus a, and here b square minus b is multiplied by a, then minus a times b minus b is multiplied by plus b, then here minus b square plus a plus b whole square is a square minus 2 times a b plus b square. Here this is minus a square and this is plus a square is cancelled out, and this is b square and this is minus b square is cancelled out. In left hand side we have 2 times a plus, in numerator we have 2 times a plus b. 2 times a plus b is multiplied by, look carefully, a square plus b square, and here 2 times ab and here minus a times b. So if we subtract 2 times ab and here minus ab, then you will get a times b. So in numerator we have a square plus b square plus ab, and divide by 2 times b plus a, 2 times b plus a is multiplied by a square plus b square, and here a plus b whole square, so this is plus 2 times ab, and 2 times ab minus ab, this is a times b. In denominator, a square plus b square plus ab. Then this expression and this expression is cancelled out. Here 2 times a plus b divided by 2 times b plus a. This is equals to 2 times value of a. Value of a is 23 and value of b is 20. So this a is 23 plus and b is 20 and divided by 2 times b is 20 plus a is 23. 2 times 23 is 46 plus 20 and divided by 2 times 20 is 40 plus 23. This is equals to 46 plus 20 is 64 and divided by 40 plus 23 is 63. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.